What's up, guys? We have made it on our walk. She's doing so good. She didn't really want to go at first, but then I convinced her. And now we're just seeing everything, looking at everything, just taking it all in. She's doing such a good job. They say don't let the cat out the bag, right? We'll keep the kitty in the bag for now. Look, these are one of our favorite flower bushes. With the Hawaiian hibiscus. It's so nice. They got the pink one. Oh, look how beautiful and big that one is today. That one bloomed today. Yeah. That's so pretty, huh? That's gorgeous. Oh, there's some Russian sage over here. Shall we pick some? I have a bunch already, but we could pick a little Russian sage. You always say please and thank you. We say please and we say thank you. We'll take 2 for extra good luck. Please? May I? Thank you. You always want to ask. Always want to ask first. Let's see what she thinks of this. What does she think? Does she like her Russian sage? Let's see. What do you think? What does it smell like? Does it smell good? She's like, I don't know. Smells like sage, Mom. Ooh, there's our sunshine. There's our sunshine. The sun is so healthy to be in. So we've been getting up daily, or at least trying to. What does it smell like, Punk? What does it smell like? What does it smell like? Does it smell good? Does it smell good? There's noisy cars. I took you on a busy road, huh? I'm sorry. Smells good, huh? That does smell good, Mom. Look at the pretty trees. It's all so green and luscious. It's so pretty. Look at her. Oh, she loves the sun. You like the sunshine, Boo Boo? Here. Oh, she's like, yeah, I do. She's so cute. You okay, monkey? Here, let me fix our little situation. Let's put you. We're gonna put the flowers. Oop. There's some ants crawling on me. We're gonna put the flowers in the bag with the kitty. Tell me if there's any ants that try any shit. Put the flowers next to you. Now she's in the bag with her flowers. And she's doing so good. So yeah, we're just getting some sunshine. Getting some nice fresh air. There's like a church over here, and then they have like a pretty altar, and they have where's the Pookie? Find the Pookie. There she is. Oh, she's precious. Can you see out, kid? We'll make sure you can see enough. But yeah, they have a school too, so that's pretty cool. Staying cool. Whatever they say. Staying cool. And this right here is a tiger lily tree. I found out the other day. It's a tiger lily tree. It's really pretty. You can tell because it has stripes on it. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. Oh. Let me fix. So yeah, we're just going for a little walk. Getting some sunshine, getting some fresh air. Before I gotta start working more. Gotta go back to work. I think she's looking out. Which way is she looking out? I can't tell, I just see the air. But yeah, I'm on like my street, but it's like kind of busy a little bit. So we're gonna go a different way. We're just going for like a mini walk today. Just a mini walk, yeah. Just a mini walk. Oh, Mommy's still sick. I'm still a little sick. So we're going to, what's it called? Look at her little face. Oh, hello, Precious. Hi, angel face. She's my angel cake. I'm not gonna eat her, I'm vegan. Wow, look at that tree. Let's just take that in for a second. Wow. Blue skies and sunshine. We're not all meant to live in boxes, guys. We're not all meant to live in boxes. We're meant to be like here with the nature, with the sunlight. Right? So yeah, Mom, we're meant to be outside. We're creatures of the earth. Oh look, somebody left their books on the side of the road. Black Rabbit Hall. You want some books? Ooh, on meditation? I'm okay right now. But somebody left some books. Wonder if they don't want them anymore. Let's see. She's such a sweet doll. Mommy's getting hungry though. I got to eat some foodies, yeah. Say, Mommy, why don't you eat? I'll say, I don't know. I get stressed. And there's not much in my fridge, I'll be honest. Oh, look, we're coming up on a squirrel. Don't jump out your bag. I gotta hold on to her tight. Because she thinks squirrels are snacks. Just how y'all think cows and pigs and chickens are snacks. She thinks squirrels are snacks. Say hi, Mr. Squirrel. Look, he's shaking his butt. Hi, Mr. Squirrel. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa. Hi, Mr. Squirrel. How are you? Oh, you're so cute. Are you eating the tree? Look at him jump. Look at his bum. I can see his gonads. Can you guys see his gonads? Whoa. He's scared of the kitty. That's why he jumped up there. Bye, Mr. Squirrel. What if you just shit on us right now, just being below him? Look at him jump. He's so good. Wow, he's got some talent. Wow. She did a good job. I don't think she even noticed. But yeah, yesterday, she tried jumping out the bag when she saw Mr. Squirrel. Isn't that right? She's doing so good. I'm so proud of her. There's some loud noises going on, huh? Let's see, what do you hear? There's some stuff going on. There's some loud noises. So we might avoid the loud noises. I don't like all the noise. Even my friend Ingrid, she says, yeah, she can't handle the noise either. we're just going on a mini walk today. Look at these tree roots, guys. Isn't this beautiful? How it takes over the sidewalk. Nature will always be superior. Understand that. We can create any man-made thing, even technology and AI that are trying to replicate human existence, like human transhumanism, and nature will always win. Nature will always win. It has already won. You guys just aren't paying attention to that dimension yet. But nature's already won. She's already won the race, the war, whatever you want to call it. Nature is superior. She's still in there. Oh, it's so nice to get out in nature. See all the plants. I want to go on some hikes soon. That'll be fun. That's what we should do. It's so pretty. The trees and the green. I love it. It's so nice. The sunshine. It's everything. Sunshine time. Sunshine time. So yeah, I've just been stressed out, and it's been so nice to just get out of the house and get out of my funk and get into some nature, because that's what life's about, man. It's about nature and more nature. And that's it. That's what matters, is all the nature. So that's what we'll be doing. More beach vlogs with the kitty cat. I think I vlogged our beach trip the other day. I can't remember. And yeah, I'm just gonna be like sewing these clips together maybe, or maybe uploading them as like their own vlog. But yeah, you guys said you really enjoyed the what's it called, the London vlog, so we're gonna keep the vlog stuff going, and hopefully you guys enjoy all that. So yeah, I used to like never do this, like never go on like walks, like ever, you know. I was someone who was like scared of the world, I'll be honest. So it's nice to go on walks and hear the birds, hear more squirrels running around. It's so nice. So nice. Look, oh, here's some purple poppies. There's only 3 or 4. One. Look at this one's in the sun. It's blooming in the sun. That's so pretty. Poppies are the flower of California. And I think that's why they named that one club after it. Because they're the state flower. So, yeah, poppies are the state flower of California, and they're going extinct actually. And it's like, you know, the story of all those influencers going to go like sit on the what's it called? Like sit on the flower patches, and they would like ruin the flower patches because they would like go in and stomp on the flowers and try to get their picture and leave without respecting like the nature or whatever. So yeah, that's why they're going kind of extinct. So yeah, when you see poppies, just if you're gonna pick one, pick like one and pick them mindfully. They most commonly were coming in like the golden color. That was what California used to be like covered in.